Welcome to the Dark Mother Mysteries YouTube channel. Welcome, Sacred Soul. You have entered the Dark Mother Mysteries, a sanctuary where we unravel the deepest truths of the Dark Feminine. I am your host, Shadow Moon, priestess, oracle, and head mistress of the Sacred Mystery School. But before I ever held these titles, I was a woman seeking answers just like you. A woman who felt the unspoken presence of something ancient, something powerful, something forgotten. A woman who knew deep within her bones that something was missing, that the feminine I was taught was incomplete, that the stories I was given were only half truths. Why I created the sacred space? I created the sacred space because as a woman, we have been disconnected from our true power. We have been fed half-truths, given a version of femininity that teaches us to be soft but never strong, beautiful but never dangerous, nurturing but never untamed. But this is not the full story. There is another side of the feminine, one that has been erased, demonized, and buried deep within us. She is the Dark Mother, and it is time to remember her. This space is not for the surface level femininity. It is not for love and light. This is for those called to the shadows, the underworld mysteries, and the sacred path of the feminine rebellion and transformation. If that resonates with you, then you have found your home. Who is the Dark Mother? Why has she been erased? The Dark Mother is the force of the unapologetic feminine, the one who does not beg for permission. She is life, death, and rebirth. She is not here to serve, to soften, or to be controlled. She is the fire in your blood, the voice in your spirit, the knowing that will not be silenced. She challenges us to confront our fears, embrace our shadow selves, and find strength in transformation. She is Lilith, walking away from Adam rather than submitting. She is Hecate, guiding souls through the darkness. She is Kali, destroying illusions so that truth may rise. She is Oshun, retreating to the moon rather than being disrespected. For centuries, patriarchal systems have told women to fear this energy. They erase the goddess of power and war. They demonize the wild woman. They reduce the feminine to submission and passivity, ensuring that women would forget how to wield their full force. But we are remembering now. We are waking up. The light feminine versus the dark feminine. What's the difference? For centuries, we have been taught only one side of femininity, the light feminine. She is soft, nurturing, patient, forgiving. These are beautiful qualities, but without her counterpart, the dark feminine, she is incomplete. Because what is femininity without power? What is beauty without boundaries? What is love without discernment? The dark feminine is the force that knows her worth and will not be disrespected. She is the power that walks away rather than begs. She is the wisdom that sees through illusion and speaks the truth, no matter what, nor how uncomfortable it may be. The light feminine nurtures, the dark feminine protects. The light feminine forgives, the dark feminine holds accountable. The light feminine loves, the dark feminine ensures that love is not given to the undeserving. Here we reclaim both. Because to be truly whole, a woman must embody all of her power, not just what is palatable. Why awakening to the dark feminine is the first step to freedom? Awakening to the dark feminine is the first step to true liberation because it demands that you break free from every lie that you have told yourself. The lies that your worth is in how much you endure. The lies that being chosen is the highest honor, the lies that a woman must be pleasing to be valuable. No more. The dark feminine returns what was stolen. She reminds you that your existence is not a performance, that you are not here to please, to chase, to prove. You are here to just be. What to expect from this channel? This is more than a YouTube channel. It is a mystery school, a sacred temple, a reclamation of everything that we have been told to forget. This is not a space for surface level femininity. We are not here to simply discuss beauty, dating, or performance-based femininity. We are here to reclaim something deeper, something ancient, something sacred. We will explore the mysteries of the Dark Mother, her history, her teachings, and how to embody her energy in your life. Dark feminine wisdom, chrome power, the left-hand path, and esoteric teachings. Goddesses of rebellion, such as Lilith, Oshun, Medusa, Kali, Sekhmet, and more. Decentering men movement, reclaiming feminine sovereignty and autonomy. Shadow work and alchemy, healing, self-mastery, and unlocking the hidden power. Sensuality and pleasure, beauty, attraction, and feminine magnetism as sacred tools. Menstrual mysteries, womb energy, fertility, and manifestation. Lunar and planetary wisdom, aligning with celestial cycles for self-mastery. We will uncover the truth about feminine power beyond what we've been conditioned to believe. We will engage in shadow work, spiritual practice, and personal transformation because this path requires real change. This is for the priestesses, the seekers, the initiates of the forgotten path. If you are ready to reclaim your power, you are in the right place. And let me just say this. I am not just a YouTuber. On this channel, I'm going to be real. Things are not going to be perfect. I'm probably going to stumble over my words. However, this is about the message and not the aesthetic. So if you're looking for something that's cookie cutter, something that's aesthetically pleasing all the time, and something that's perfect, then this is not the channel for you. Because my mission in this channel is to be real, raw, and honest. This is the type of information that I wish that I would have had when I was younger, coming up as a young maiden and matriculating through life. And like I said, I will probably fumble through my words. Now, don't get me wrong. I've put a lot of effort into my scripts, and I just want you to know that. However, I might not be perfect. And you know what? That goes to show that in femininity and in our womanhood, we are not perfect, but we continue to strive and do better. Okay. So if you are ready to unravel the hidden truths, if you are ready to reclaim what has been lost, if you are ready to awaken the power of the dark feminine within you, then I ask that you join this channel, hit that subscribe button, and like this video so that more people will come across this channel. May the Dark Mother bless you. May your ancestors protect you and guide your steps. May your inner radiance always shine bright. Embrace your power. Embrace dark feminine wisdom. Keep exploring the mysteries. Keep exploring the mysteries, reclaiming your authority, and ascending to new heights. Your journey doesn't end here. It only deepens. Until we gather again, sacred soul. This is Shadow Moon, head mistress of the Dark Mother Mystery School, signing off. Class is dismissed.